Peak demand has a host of issues. Chief among them is the high time of use cost associated with peak electricity. But beyond that, using electricity at peak times contributes to grid instability, a problem that is becoming pervasive as a result of global warming. All this combines for increased expenditures by the utilities, which is of course passed along to us as the consumer. Given the global increased need for heating and cooling applications, NETenergy is uniquely positioned to offer its technology as a solution. I'm Monica Cook, and I am the Director of Business and Technology for NETenergy. NETenergy's first product is a thermal battery that can be integrated into a rooftop commercial air conditioning unit.
Unlike conventional batteries that store energy in the form of electricity, thermal batteries store heat or cold energy. The core component of thermal battery is phase change material, or PCM. PCMs are substances that store energy when they change from one state to another, for example, from solid to liquid.
Our thermal battery will store cold at times when electricity is cheap and abundant for use at a later time to cool the space with zero impact to human comfort. We are very excited for our first field deployment in the summer of 2023. We are anticipating a 50% carbon reduction as well as a 30% reduction in energy use for our first commercial rooftop unit.
The key component of that battery is an innovative composite phase change material that our team has been developing for the last 5 years, called Black Ice. We mix expanded graphite and different PCMs, and the best part of it that it can be customized to store energy at a wide range of temperatures, which significantly expands the area of possible applications. mHUB and the resources that are available here allow us to first design the prototype from the initial concept and then actually to build that prototype and custom make all the necessary parts for it. On top of that, we can get assistance from highly skilled engineers and consultants at any stage of our project, all under one roof.
The strength of the NETenergy team is broadened by the fantastic development partners that we're currently working with. We're working with Emerson for the Department of Defense, the Department of Energy, National Renewable Energy Labs, as well as National Grid. NETenergy is looking for creative partners who would benefit from thermal storage to enhance the impact of this very important technology. Whether our customer is focused on resiliency, reduced carbon emissions, or cost reductions, NETenergy has a technology that's positioned to have a valuable impact.